I have just found the perfect way to practice belting after you've warmed up, of course, if you don't want people to hear you. And this has been like my major bugbear, especially with my students, because they're always worried about people hearing them, and belting just sounds awful when you're trying to practice or mixing. So grab a towel and you stick your mouth in the towel and the sound doesn't travel, but you still get the workout in your throat. I'm going to show you. Gug. Gug, 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 gug. Gug, 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 gug. Gug, 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 gug. I'm sure the technique needs refining a little bit, but it's life-changing.